Hey, Dave Cook giving you a quick video with the Franco Painting and Wallpapers for repainting some previously painted cabinets. So we're kind of doing a video, one, to show you the difference and to show you things to look out for. So these cabinets existed, this is factory finish on this side, so they actually look really good, but they hired a company to come in to paint and glaze the cabinets. And when they did that, these are some of the issues they had. They just painted the existing, they didn't do any scuff sand or anything. So as we came off, we had to power sand everything, and you can see, I don't know how many times they were painted already, but they had two layers, the original white, and it was a gray, brown, and then the glaze. So we had to we really had to get out on a sander to get these down, but afterwards, I mean, it was like this all the way across. But after we sanded, now we're on our second coat of primer, that's what it looks like afterwards. So nice, smooth, almost a factory finish once we got on there. These are some other ones that were, they were pretty beat up, pretty bad. Again, power sanding everything, but once we power sanded, some of them had to put some Bondo in there to fix some of the irregularities and imperfections in the wood. They turned out really good. So if you have questions on painting cabinets that have been painted before, we can definitely help you out with that. Just may take a little bit more power tools than most people are used to. Love to hear how we can help you. Love the space you're in with painting cabinets and or furniture. Thanks. You guys have a great day.